empty vessels makes much noise, I heard, and it is true. So-called civilized world, America and Europe, talks about the abuse of power and corruption in the developing and third world. In fact, it's more in here than there. The world has been doing the time due to their banks, those who create havoc, sell weapons, and regardless of how many people they have killed or killing to promote their industries, have not only handsomely rewarded, but they are also become a very successful lecturers to lecture about democracy, morality, humanity, free of corruption, abuse, etc., etc., etc. No one knows how many pillars and legislators of the countries and how much did they make before few of them had been caught. They are only capable people in corruption and abuser of their position to do their top jobs effectively and couldn't be replaced. I wouldn't be surprised to see these people making millions out of it instead of losing something, unless the powerful weapons, the media, wouldn't invite them in their programs, etc. The judges and magistrates are not far behind them, including Higgs, the member of a killing club. It is too blind to see the people who have committed heinous crimes and worse crimes than anyone has done so far in the world against humanity and have been rewarded. They punish the ones who are either against the big guns and don't want to be partners in their crimes, or don't take my word for it, you can check it yourself. We want those people who have committed the heinous crimes in the world should be punished as soon as possible, and everyone wants it. Thank you, bye. Except them, obviously.